if you take the pictures on it.
No, it's okay. Oh.
이렇게 봐가지고.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice. They really show them how to pick one.
Oh, snap.
이렇게 들고 천천히. 밑에 하얀 거는 더 익은 거예요.
네, 알겠습니다. Can I get the really sweet one, man? Oh.
So you hold this and pull it. Oh,
Ooh, that one looks so good, baby.
really?
Like this?
Nah.
Okay, good time, man.
Getting tired?
Okay, so we're at a 딸기 농장, which is strawberry farm. This guy grows all his stuff very naturally, as you can see here. Just grows it right here. These are all strawberry things. I don't know if you've ever seen a strawberry, like how strawberry grown. But oh my god, it's so hard to pick because you have to like bend over. Imagine like bending over all day, every day, like 10, 12 hours a day.
Let me
Try to
steal
pick
one
this.
and eat it.
Do it. Make sure
Wait,
he's not looking. Do it. Do it from an angle where he's not looking. How is it? Honestly, it's not that good though. The first one I ate wasn't that good.
But still sweet.
I think it's because well, we were very lucky to find this one because my Kaloya really wants to go pick the strawberries, but it's the end of the strawberry season already finished, you know. So I was very surprised we were even able to find this one.
So hard to find one.
What, baby? Found a good one? Whoa! Big one, man. You gotta hold it like you know the fish?
Ah, the fish.
You gotta hide your fingers a little bit. Whoa! Nice!
Nice.
Show them how you actually pick the strawberries professionally.
Okay.
I learned from a farmer who strawberry farmed for like 20 years. Okay, this is the professional way.
Hold it.
Yes.
Twist it. Oh, those flowers are so nice. So we are at the Eco Land right now, and we're going to ride the train soon. So the train is supposed to take you around Jeju. People said the scene is very nice. Wow! 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 On the train.
On the train? What are we doing here?
Taking the train.
Taking the train. So we're at Eco Land. Eco Land. It's supposed to be a very famous for national, like Korean people, but it's not very widely known among tourists. So this is a very natural Jeju. I think you get to see a lot of specimens, plant specimens, and things like that that are very native to Jeju. It's supposed to be very beautiful. So yeah, you can ride the train for like an hour and go all the way around. Or you can stop by any of these stations and get off and walk and reach it. So, yeah. Hope it's really nice.
Wow!
Oh, pop in my face again.
Really? Oh.
Let's stop.
No more. That's it. Eat it. Okay. So cool.
This water is like icy cold.
What?
Roofiness.
What's
That's what it's
roofiness?
called. Oh, this is not lavender, I think, right?
No lavender?
Yeah, it says roofiness.
Oh, really?
Roofiness. I don't know. Yeah.
Wow.
The
Look
lavender.
at it. Wow. Very nice. Okay, we are at the entrance of the maze, and he is doing the maze map right now, just in
Oh my
case we
God.
get lost.
Okay, I
So,
think even if I'm
he's-
doing the maze map,
What happened?
holy crap, this is hard, man.
Just do it. Can we ask them for a couple more, just in case?
No, don't need. Hold on.
Do
It
it.
seems easy. It seems so easy, right? Hold on.
Uh,
So you know you have to go across here.
I hope we will not get lost, man.
What happened?
We just saw one maze.
One maze?
Without looking at the map.
Oh, what
And we
maze
just
was that?
came out, and we only got lost for one time, which
Wow.
only lasts for a couple seconds, right?
Show them the maze. Ta-da!
Follow.
Follow the hand. Wow.
Came out from here.
That one seems so complicated, right?
I think so.
But with my baby Lee's color yaoli professionalness, we were able to solve it.
Hi.
Ring the success bell. Ring it. Wow! Congratulations!
Congratulations! It is time to ring that bell. Ha! Good job. Scared?
I'm just scared.
Don't be scared, my love. Okay, it's so cute. So we are at the Wangjiangdong
Manchang Cave.
Mamsang Cave. So it's basically a cave, and then it's very nice. Inside it's cold there.
whoa.
Do you want
Oh.
a jacket?
No moon.
Okay, so oh, it feels real cold here. It's so dark. This feels like there's nothing, man.
This is where Batman lives.
Batman, so dark. Okay, so baby Lee, I don't think we can see you really well, but where are we?
We're at the beach.
At the beach.
Yeah.
And we are the beach, I think ocean though.
Yeah, ocean.
Ocean.
Yeah.
And we are going to fishing.
There's some worms in there. We'll show
There's
you
some
later.
worms here.
I'll show you now.
But we are going to eat though.
Yeah, don't look. I don't want you to lose your
There's some worms there, and we have our fishing stuff here. And damn, we bought some instant noodles. Cannot see very well. Instant noodle. Some sausage, and we have 2 tunas. Orange. This orange is very famous in Jeju though. Oh, nice. So we bought some instant noodles. Yeah, instant noodles, 3 of it, and then we have sausage, soju, tunas, and orange. While we are fishing, we're gonna eat this.
And this
Yeah.
one's a spicy tuna. This
Oh,
one
I
tastes good.
didn't eat this for a long time. And we will enjoy our dinner while we are fishing. Yep,
We're cutting now. Oh crap. Cannot see very well, but look
it's
at
okay.
that. Okay.
Instant noodle.
Oh, can definitely see the instant noodle. Instant noodles I see. Oh shit. Tastes good. Take a small bite of the sausage. Small bite.
That's so good, baby.
Ah, good. Eat some tuna too, okay? Yeah. Hey, what are we doing, baby?
We are eating juice
Why are we eating juice?
because my stomach don't feel good, so we are going to eat some juice.
Okay, so it's called porridge.
Porridge. Porridge tastes so good.
This one, what kind is that one?
This one is ginseng chicken porridge.
With the abalone.
Abalone. And that one is like vegetable and crab meat.
And the side dishes. They give us some kind of chop.
Oh, I don't know what kind of chop. It tastes sour.
First bite. Okay. Where are we, baby?
We fried chicken place.
Fried chicken place? Ah, so this is near a college campus, near Seoul University's medical hospital. And so we came here because it had really good ratings. Let's concentrate, focus on that one.
Chicken wings, which is my favorite.
Take a bite. Wow. Wow.
They just made it.
And so this is called chimek. Chicken is called chi, and then mek is mekju. So Korean, a lot of people say chimek. So we're doing chimek right now at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Let's grab. I'm gonna eat all of it.